To install NDI plugin on OBS. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we want to do is open up a web browser, go to Google and type in OBS NDI plugin. From here, we need to click on the link from the 1st of June 2017, Distro AV, Network Audio Video in OBS Studio using NDI. So click into that link. And then on this page, we need to go to download. So click on go to download. And then we want to scroll down, and I'm assuming you're using Windows, so click on Distro 6.0 time recording Windows x64 installer, or if you're in Linux you can download Linux if you like, but this demonstration is going to be on Windows, so click on Windows x64 installer. From here, go ahead and open up the download. If it doesn't pop up here, go to the download section in your computer and open it up, and click yes. And then we want to scroll down, click next, click next again, and then click next. You can browse if you want and change to a different folder. I'm just going to leave it there. Now I'm going to click install. Then it'll say completing this distro AV setup wizard, then click finish. And now once you've done that, we need to go to another website called NDI video /tools, and we need to download NDI tools. So download tools on Windows or Mac. So I'm going to do Windows. Now this is going to download in the background. It's about 500 megabytes in size. So I'm going to pause this video and get back to you and run this installer. Alright, so it's finished downloading. So we want to go ahead and open up NDI6tools.exe. Alright, from here we want to click on I accept the agreement, click next again, and now it's going to install the setup. So just give that a few moments to install. Alright, so once you've installed it, this will appear when we need to go ahead and register. So go ahead and fill out your first name, last name, email, and all that stuff, and click register. Alright, so I've filled out this form, now I'm going to click register. Okay, so once we've done that, we'll open up OBS and then click on tools, and you can see Distro AV NDI is now available.